Hello my beautiful soul tribe, welcome back to my channel. This is Neetu. Today's pick a card reading is going to be about this 11/11 portal that we are about to enter into on November 11th, 2020. This is going to be a spiritual portal, a gateway in order for us to access some higher vibrational energy. There is going to be a lot of downloads, upgrades in our energy field, in our DNA, like codes, light codes are being installed, like activated basically in order to uplift us, in order to help us go through our spiritual path with much more ease and with much more upgraded energy, where we can access the higher self, get connected to the higher self in a much more better way. All right, so always 11/11 portal is very important for every one of us, irrespective of whether you are in the spiritual path consciously or not. This portal is going to bring some very strong energies, strong light codes that is going to be activated. Some of the light codes are very ancient, like remembrance from the past lives. Maybe your dreams are going to be a little crazy. This whole month you can expect a lot of vivid dreams, like something that you see and it kind of resonates with you, or you feel that you know this somehow, right? So these are the kind of energies that you can expect this whole November month. However, this 11/11 portal on November 11th is going to be very significant. If you want to or if you have any rituals that you want to follow on 11/11, like meditation, taking a salt bath, and just being receptive and open to all these downloads and messages that our higher self, the other side, the spiritual world has to offer in order for us to grow and expand and evolve much more quicker, so that is the significance of 11/11 portal. However, when I was shuffling, two cards fell down, which was the overall energy for what is that we can expect on this 11/11 portal. The first card that came through was Council of Light, divine orchestration, helpers in the subtle realm, and also Pillar of Light. Your vibration is raising. You are the worker, like you know exactly, like you can see through the deception of this world, deception of the any sort of deception for that matter, the illusion. You can see through the illusion, like you will know exactly what is that you want in life. So your vibration is increasing. That is what the download is all about. Your vibration, the Pillar of Light, it is absolutely increasing. I'm sensing this rainbow bridge kind of energy, crystalline energy, like a very strong high vibrational energy, which is going to get activated within all of us. All right, it happens to the degree of how much we are receptive and how much we are available to such energies, for which can help us and work in our favors. So Council of Light, of course, the light codes which is getting downloaded and installed or activated, the light codes in all of our DNA, in order for us to remember the truth, the reality of who we are as a soul, not just as a human being, and where do we stand in this universe. So there is a lot of veil lifting, illusion lifting, seeing through deception, and raising to the highest vibration possible, right? So the Council of Light is coming through. You can see the download of energy that is happening, which is raising your vibration very drastically, and it may seem a little dramatic also, like things are going to shift very quickly in your life. Like you will be able to think in a bigger and broader perspective on all of those things. But however, let's get into your personal reading. That was more of a general energy that was shown by the spiritual world. But we have three piles here, pile number 1, 2 and 3. All right, I'll also be placing the crystal on top of each pile, so you can go ahead and select based on the crystal or whichever pile that you are most drawn to. For group number 1, we have clear quartz crystal. For group number 2, we have amethyst, and for group number 3, malachite. For group number 4, we have jadeite. And for group number 5, we have sapphire. And for group number 6, we have sapphire. And for group number 7, we have malachite. And for group number 8, we have amethyst. And for group number 9, we have jadeite. And for group number 10, we have sapphire. And for group number 11, we have malachite. And for group number 12, we have Group number 3, Malachite. Alright, so take your time, pause the video. Once you have made the selection, you can jump into the description box. There will be a timestamps pertaining to the particular group that you have selected, and you can jump straight into your particular reading. Alright, I'll be starting with group number 1 now. Welcome group number 1. If you have selected this clear quartz crystal, this reading is for you. What I'm hearing for you, group number 1, is some sort of development or improvement in your life, a personal improvement more so than in your physical world. I'm getting this energy of your creativity being raised, like you'll be able to think much more creatively, and you'll be identifying much more creative outlets for you to express yourself, and also there is going to be a lot of nudges, like you'll be forced to follow some nudges, some directions, some path which is going to lead you to your ultimate destination. Like I'm shown the path that you need to take, like lot of guidance, lot of synchronicities, lot of guides and angels who are coming through for you, group number 1, and they want you to really follow the path and follow the direction and understand the signs and symbols that they are giving. Looks like there is going to be a lot of signs and symbols that you are going to notice, and you will be able to understand it clearly. All right, so with this quartz, definitely it is about you mastering something in your life, like mastering the way of living, the art of living, or the art of thinking, or art of taking decisions, art of having this clear mind and clear head, and allowing your creativity to flow and allow you to take you in the direction like river making its way through all the obstacles and reaching its destination. That is what they are showing. Let's see how is this making sense here. Okay, beyond illusion, courage. This is exactly what I was feeling with the river making its way through all the difficulties and finding its destination. Look at this plant which is growing in between the rocks. Like you will find your way. You will find your way, the direction will be shown to you, and beyond illusion, like your high vibration is raising drastically. Your vibration is raising to an extent where you'll be able to see through the illusion. You'll be able to see through the lies of the people. You'll be able to see through what is not being said. Exactly, like your sensory perception, apart from all the senses that we use on earth, like sixth sense and beyond, is what is getting activated for you. All right, and also that is going to push you towards taking certain decisions. It will allow you to be courageous and grow where you're planted. Like you'll be courageously taking up this challenge, and you'll somehow gain this clarity, gain this understanding of doing what needs to be done for you to go and reach to a destination, to your towards whatever that you're willing to bring into your life. All right, so this is definitely a major transformation, and this could, sensory perception, that is what they were telling. Like you'll be able to see beyond your regular vision. Like you can see through the illusion, like your senses, your psychic abilities. It is all going to get upgraded, and for you to use it to your benefit, for you to achieve whatever that is, or that is something that you want to do in your life, or you want to have, or you want to follow this path, some dream, some goal, and your extrasensory perceptions, your intuitions, your gut feeling, your vision, like your third eye activation, your inner vision, and seeing through things clearly, seeing through lies clearly. People cannot fool you anymore. So these are all some of the activations that you can expect, and this is going to give you immense courage for you to take step forward, one step at a time, so that you can reach your destination. This is cool. This is amazing. Group number 1, you just have to believe. You have to believe that you have been taken to the calmer waters. yeah, they're telling you are being taken to the calmer waters, and the universe is definitely surrounding and enveloping you and making sure that you are safely taken to that destination. That's what I was getting, like you are being shown the direction, the path, like a lot of activation in terms of identifying what is that you want to do, like following your feelings, following your emotions, following your inner guidance system, and trusting that, and not being afraid to follow your dreams, follow your vision, following your intuition is very, very, very strong here. Look at that, we have harmony and we have number 7 here, and this is all about you gaining the spiritual harmony, like you're protected. This is exactly what I was getting, like you're protected in this ball of light where your angels and guides are making sure that you are transported from where you are to the destination where you're supposed to go. So you are in between this movement, and it may feel really raw, it may feel really hard or difficult or unsure. Uncertainty may have surrounded you, but your guides and angels are telling you that it's all right, because with all this upgradation, all this light codes being activated within yourself, your inner guidance system is going to become so strong, your intuition is going to become so strong, you'll be able to navigate through life, you'll be able to see through illusion, you will be able to see beyond illusion, and march forward boldly and courageously. A lot of strength and courage and extra sensory perceptions are being activated for you this love and portal. Birthing a new age. Look at that, birthing new creations, dreaming a new world into being. And star seed, there is no doubt that you are not a star seed. You are here to light up the world before you could light up others' world, or in general. It's time for you to light up your inner guidance system so that it can work in your favor, and it can show you the light that you are looking for, so that you will be able to help others as well as you go forward. So you're definitely the star seed, the lights, what lights you up, and you're here to birth a new age. And for you, group number 1, it is going to be much more stronger than others, because the main job of a star seed is to download these codes, and star seeds are the first beings on earth who are going to anchor this energy first onto the earth, so that others can benefit from it. That is the main job or the main purpose of a star seed here on earth, to download all these codes and anchor it down to earth, meaning you embodying that codes, you embodying the higher version of yourself and anchoring it down, so that others can see it's like a ripple effect, like you're going to have this effect on others as well, and it is going to force others to change their perception, and to tap into their higher version of themselves. So I hope this is making sense, but I'm getting a lot of messages, and I'm just in the flow, and I'm just speaking without thinking anything. So please try to fit in the reading according to whatever that you're going through. But this is what I'm getting. You are the front runners, like you are first getting the downloads, where you'll be embodying it, you'll be anchoring it down, so that others in the earth can benefit this codes, this new energy, right? So for that to happen for you, this is helping you build strength and courage, because definitely we need strength and courage in order to embody such heavy energies, such lighter, not heavy energy, like light energy, light codes. Something that is not working within us has to leave our system, and when this purging happens, you should be ready as a warrior to release anything that is not serving you anymore, anything that is not helping you anymore, like energy wise or in relationship, or anything that you have been holding or clinging on to. It has to go, so that this new codes can anchor down through you onto the earth to birth the new age. And that is exactly what you're doing here, group number 1. You guys are star seeds. You are from different planets who are here to help earth in the evolution of the earth, and you have a bigger role to play here, other than just make your earning or living or making money. You have additional job as well. Okay, so the next cards that we have is solar plexus chakra. This is where you're getting most of your activations. Solar plexus chakra, the color is yellow, is very prominent, and we have lion and a lot of wild animals, like free will, using your free will in order to break free of the illusion, believing and having faith in the unknown, in the unseen. Looks like this is the major light code that you're receiving, like believing in the unknown, having that unwavering faith, and expressing yourself freely. All right, I recognize that I always have choice and free will in any given situation. As I face my life lessons and learn from my experiences, I realize that there is never a wrong decision. I trust the decisions that I make and choose love, forgiveness, and expansion over fear and lack every time. I always have a choice. Definitely you're making some strong decisions. This is calling these light codes are going to call you to take certain bold decisions so that you can express your free will. Being who you are, your true authenticate self is going to reveal itself, meaning the illusion is going to fall down, the mask is going to fall down, and your raw self will be exposed. Don't be afraid to feel vulnerable, because this is exactly the moment for you to accept these codes and grow in your life and expand beyond measures. This is an immense opportunity for you, group number 1. Throat chakra, Vishuddha, exactly expressing yourself. Throat chakra is all about self-expression and following the path that you have chosen for this lifetime, and that is exactly where you're headed. Look at that, all the DNA that is spiraling here. Lot of changes, group number 1. You can expect lot of changes. Drink lot of water, relax, and be receptive to receive all these beautiful codes that you're about to receive on Love in this portal. We are all children of conditioning. Let go of the outs, shoots, and judgments that inhibit you. Speak wisely, speak gently, speak consciously, but find your truth and express yourself. What you have to say is important. You are an expression of the divine. Yeah, you have a voice. There is something that you need to speak up. You have to speak up for yourself and assert your free will, use your free will, and enable your life to be to become richer, abundant. The only way that can happen when you express yourself and be your true authentic raw self. All right, so these are all the light codes that you are getting downloaded this November 11 2021. Last message, strength and guidance. This is your angels and guides, and your spiritual team is telling that there is a whirlpool of energy within you, which is gaining momentum to bring a lot of changes in your life. Your angels and guides are bringing you a lot of strength and guidance. Like you'll be able to understand what is the guidance that they are giving you, so that you can follow the direction and reach wherever you're supposed to go. Your life purpose, your self-expression, being your true authentic self, and these are all that you're here to do. So this Love in portal is giving you and enabling you to be able to tap into your highest version of yourself by remembering and recalling who you truly are, not just as a human being, but as a soul, as who you are in this whole universe and where you stand. That is the reality that you're tapping into, and the illusion is falling away and making way for the truth to enter into your life. All right, so I really hope that all these things happen in your life, and you become the conduit of bringing down and anchoring such high vibrational energy, and help Mother Earth to heal and evolve as we evolve with her. All right, so that's all I have for you, group number 1. If you have liked the video, please subscribe to my channel. Love you all. Take care. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Welcome, group number 2. If you have selected raw amethyst, this reading is for you. Let's get started. And for you, group number 2, with this Amethyst, it is definitely about your third eye chakra, which is your vision. Very high vibrational spiritual energy coming through. There is going to be a lot of activation around your vision, gaining clarity about what is that you want to do for a living is what I'm getting. All right, like what is that you want to do for a living, which is in alignment to your truth, and that is your outlet to bring more abundance is what they're telling. Like you're going to identify your truth, your calling, like what is that you want to do for a living for some of you, and for others of you this light codes, what is going to help you with is about activating your inner visions, your inner knowing. All right, the sense of knowing, like you just know what is that you want to do. Like suddenly they are showing the mirror is wiped clean, like now you can see clearly, like, oh wow, this is what I was missing. All right, so that is the kind of energy that I'm receiving here. Like they're showing the mirror wiped clean, like an obstacle is removed, like it is lifted and just thrown out of your way, so that you can now go without fear and march forward towards what is that you want to do. There is something about stability. They are showing me number 4. This could also be about angels being very close to you, who are working with you in order to bring a stability and support into your life. And 4 is also about you anchoring down some of the codes which are going to bring immense satisfaction and joy. I'm getting this energy of satisfaction and joy, but let's see what is that you are actually receiving. Look at that. Look at that, lot of creative energies that is coming through. Very divine feminine energy, lot of growth. We have sharing and creativity. You have something to share here, group number 1. That is what I was getting. Like you using your talent, your creativity to help others. There is something that you are to share with others, your knowledge, your talent, your wisdom, your maybe you are a reader like me, or there is something about your talent and your creativity that this world needs. There is something that you need to share with others, which is going to enrich your life as well as others. There is a lot of abundance which is waiting for you, and it is only waiting for you to get aligned with what is your true purpose and true calling. Are you following your calling, or are you following your true purpose? Are you following your true north? Because all your abundance, money, success, stability, like you are going to shine. They're telling you're going to shine, you're going to hold this light for others, and that is going to bring a lot of abundance into your life. All right, you're going to shine, you're going to expand in terms of knowledge, wisdom, and evolution. Like these codes are going to kind of give you clarity and understanding, like wiping the mirror as they showed, and it's like you can see clearly now. Wow. All right, let me do that. And also they're telling that you'll not be afraid to explore, and they're telling don't be afraid to explore. For some of you, you may be pulling yourself back because you're afraid to explore. You kind of want to play it safe, but they're telling that no, don't do that. It's time for you to explore and allow your creativity to bring in lot of abundance. They are telling abundance again and again, abundant life. You are headed towards abundant life as you share your talent, your wisdom, and that is something that you have something that this world needs. There are people who need that you got to offer, which is going to bring a lot of abundance and success. If you still don't know what it is, this code, this love and light codes is going to activate just that for you to realize this is exactly what I'm supposed to be doing. All right, let me explore this path and see where it is going to lead me. And trust me, if you follow this path, you are niggling feeling, and you follow and trust that this is going to take you places. Trust me, this is going to take you places. This is going to allow you to enrich your life by enriching others. And they're repeating the statement like you're here to enrich others' life as well as yours on the path, on this journey. All right, look at that. We have letting go. There is something that you need to let go, and there is comfort. Your angels and guides are telling you that we know you have been in you're kind of hanging in there to understand what is that you're supposed to do, and we are comforting you, we are taking care of you and bringing light into your life, bringing clarity into your life. Do not be afraid to explore. You'll have to get out of your comfort zone. For some of you, that is a very strong message. You'll have to get out of your comfort zone, and there is going to be a lot of intuition. This is really good because we have amethyst, and also for group number 1, there is a lot of psychic abilities, spiritual abilities are getting activated in terms of vision, in terms of extrasensory perception other than what we normally use on earth, like your intuition, your gut feeling, your sense of knowing, and clairvoyance, clairaudience. All right, things are going to get activated, and it is going to facilitate your growth. All right, so that is what I am getting for you, group number 2. And letting go is a big part of it. You have to let go in order to receive it. Like, you'll have to make way, make room for all this beauty that is to enter into your life. All right, so don't cling on or don't remain in a comfort zone just because it is familiar. It doesn't mean it is helping you in your growth. Get out of your comfort zone and don't be afraid to explore. That is what they are urging you to do. Don't be afraid to explore, because that is where everything is waiting for you to find them. Anna, grandmother of Jesus, seeding the light, laying foundations, divine plan in action. Lemuria, creating heaven on earth. It's happening exactly like even group number 1. It said that birthing a new age, and this is similar as well. Lemurian energy, and trust me, this light codes, for me personally, I feel Lemurian energy, Lemurian light codes and Atlantean light codes. More than Atlantean, I'm feeling Lemurian light codes is getting activated, like ancient knowledge, ancient wisdom that is deep buried in our DNA. These are kind of getting activated and sparked open, and made us available. Like, we can tap into that energy. That is the light codes that we are receiving, and especially for you, group number 2, you are receiving a lot of ancient knowledge and wisdom, so that you already know that they are kind of activating it, so that you can follow it. Now you can tap into this energy and follow it through. Like, you suddenly know things, like mirror white clean again. Like, suddenly you have the knowledge and wisdom that you need to follow your path. Like, suddenly everything is going to make sense. Like, wow, you just got a right a pair of spectacles, which is given you a new sight. All right, so that is what I'm seeing for you, group number 2. Like, this is not a new plan for you. Like, this is ancient. You are definitely one of the old souls who know exactly what you need to do here. You're more than a star seed. First group was all about star seeds, star energy. For you, you are definitely from ancient age of Lemuria, Atlantis, and hundreds of years ago, what all happened on earth. You definitely have those codes embedded in your DNA. Now it's time for the light codes to activate those inner wisdom, so that it is going to help you this lifetime for you to navigate through your dream, your destination, where you need to reach. And that involves you sharing your knowledge, wisdom, and talent, or there is something that you need to offer, some sort of light that you need to offer to others, which will enrich your life and others' life as well. And I'm seeing like you helping poor people, or you helping the orphan children's. All right, and I'm seeing for some of you it is about old age homes and orphanages, and there is something that you are providing them in terms of food, shelter. There is something that you need to offer to the world that the world needs. That is for some of you. I'm seeing for others it is like you being the leader and leading others towards a right way of thinking, whatever that leadership means to you. You are definitely meant to stand out. Don't force yourself, don't suppress yourself to accept anything less than the shining star, is what they're telling you. You are meant to be a shining star. Look at that, root chakra, physical body, and earth element is coming through. This is about stability. That is exactly what I was speaking on. For some of you, it is about physical body. And we have third eye chakra. Exactly, there is a lot of healing happening in your physical body as well, to activate the higher vibration. And physical body, I celebrate my physical body and recognize it as the wondrous vessel through which I see, feel, hear, touch, smell, and taste. I connect fully with my physical existence on this earthy plane. I breathe life force into my body and nourish it with good food. I love and accept my body. For some of you, your diets are going to change. Some of you are going to start to exercise, like your that is what is getting activated in you. Like you will be forced to take care of your body in a much holistic way, holistic approach towards your well-being, and suddenly things starts to feel different for you. Like you may change your diet, you may change in your workout plan. There is something about holistic approach and healing your body which is happening for you, this portal. And there is a lot of healing in your third eye chakra. It says, I see clearly how to bring harmony. Oh, wow, this is crazy. Like I can see clearly how to bring harmony. Like you'll be able to see things clearly from now on, to pain, discomfort, and issues of separation, and so I am healed. I transcend the illusion of duality, seeing beyond the veil of divisive thoughts and behaviors. I offer with confidence and integrity my visions for the brighter and more harmonious future. I am harmonious. Absolutely, your life path is getting aligned, and you are reaching this harmonious state of living where your mind, body, and soul is getting aligned towards your life purpose. All right, definitely a lot of changes in terms of your third eye, your root chakra, your stability, your strength. You will be your approach will be different towards your body, like respecting your body, honoring your body, not feeding it toxic. Like you may be drawn towards eating more greens and vegetables and fruits, and there is a lot of changes that you can expect, group number 2. Look at that, blessings and abundance. Last message for you from your guides and angels. A lot of blessings and abundance coming for you once you make your decision. Even otherwise, you are led towards this blessings and abundance in your life. Like overall abundant life, and getting in alignment with what is that you have to do here, what is your purpose, and that harmony is going to bring a lot of abundance and success into your life beyond what you had imagined for yourself. All right, so allow this to happen and be receptive. Take care of your body, take care of your overall well-being, and things are going to be absolutely fantastic for you. All right, so that's all I'm getting for you, group number 2. Have a wonderful gateway, this portal, and I love you all. Take care. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Welcome, group number 3. If you have selected Malachite, this reading is for you. Alright, so for you, it is definitely, I'm feeling this activation in your heart chakra, some sort of healing old emotions, old pain, or you'll be forced to look at the area which needs to be healed, which needs to be addressed, which needs to be released, which needs to be evolved. So this portal, I'm getting that lot of healing, heart energy. Your heart chakra is getting healed, like old emotions will be healed, not just this lifetime. They are confirming that from many lifetimes, whatever if you have been carrying, like you are going to heal your heart space, your heart chakra, so that you can enjoy and be open to love and love yourself as well. More than expressing, and also about you expressing yourself much more in alignment to you, in alignment to the divine, some sort. I'm hearing divinity, like your divinity, you understanding how divine you are. Your divine self is going to get enhanced. Okay, so that is what they're showing. There is a lot of healing that is coming for you, and whenever there is heart healing, it is about forgiving others and forgiving yourself for whatever you have been through or whatever you have put yourself through this whole lifetime or any lifetime for that matter. Lot of healing that is coming your way, and also for some of them I'm hearing the word abundance coming your way, but let's see what is going on. Okay, participation. This is about bringing stability into your life, like things coming together. You're meeting the right people who are going to help you. But this code, the light codes that is activating in you, it is about you've comfortably find your place on earth. Like, what is it you want to do? What is that you want to do for the living, and where do you belong? Like, what am I supposed to do? All right, so I'm sensing this energy of where do I belong, like finding your space, finding your place, finding your home, finding your belongings, finding your soulmates, finding your soul tribe, like everything that is meant for you in order to help you to grow and find stability in life. And these light codes are going to just activate those, like where do you belong, what is that you want to do, how are you going to participate in the evolution of the earth itself, and how are you going to participate in order to be able to grow and evolve as a human being as well. And also you'll be able to understand who are the true soulmates or the true people who are around you, who are going to help you do just that. All right, they're showing like people coming together. All right, like right, they're telling divine timing, like things starts to come together, like puzzles getting fit, perfectly fit, and the puzzle is going to reveal itself to you as a beautiful picture, and you're like, oh wow, this is what I was trying to do. Like it was all jumbled here and there and here. You are trying to make sense of what it is, but that is coming together. All right, so there is no more compromise, and this is about they're telling you, you were putting yourself down, you were putting yourself in the place where you thought you are not worthy of all the happiness in the world, or you're not worthy of some sort of relationship or that beautiful life that you deserve, and you have been constantly putting yourself down. But now these codes are going to make you realize what is your worth. Where, I don't know how else to put this, but I'm trying my best to put it in a better way. It's like you finding your place, like you finding yourself. Like these codes are going to help you find yourself and your true meaning, your true purpose, your true worth, which was always there. It always existed, but you didn't just see, you didn't realize the true you, and the true essence of you is going to show and reveal itself to you, like that beautiful picture. Wow, I didn't realize this beautiful, the world is so beautiful, or my life is so beautiful, or I am so beautiful, and I'm worthy of all the beauty that is to enter into my life. Like you have been compromising a lot with life, and the portal, through the portal energy, your angels and guides are trying to install or upgrade your energy to being more courageous and being more accepting. All right, that is what I'm feeling. Like you are going to get into the space of self-acceptance, realizing your worth, realizing your divinity. That is very strong. Group number 3, you are going to realize your divinity, your true identity, your true self, your true beauty, and not taking others' opinion as the truth. Rather, you see the truth for what it is, and that is what is happening for you. Longing for home, belonging, the original light worker. Exactly, like longing for home, belonging. Like, where do I belong? This is exactly what I was trying to tell you. Like, where do I belong? You look at the star, you look at the moon, and you look at everybody, you compare your life with everybody. Like, wow, they are doing good. something is going better in this person's life, or she's doing good, or he's doing well, but where do I belong? What am I supposed to do? Is this what I'm supposed to be doing, or something else? Or why things are not happening things are not happening for me, and I'm struggling and I'm wanting for more. But the problem is you were not recognizing your worth, and you thought that you probably don't deserve all this. Probably I don't deserve. You have been beating yourself up, talking to yourself that probably I don't deserve this, and just let me compromise with life. And I'm literally hearing the word, these light codes are going to kick your butt and show the mirror to you and show you your divinity. Like, oh, why stop talking all those shit to yourself, because you deserve this beauty that this world, this earth has to offer. All right, so that is exactly is what happening. The great gathering, it's all coming together. Intuitive hits, soul tribe. Wow, these are the exact words that I was telling. Like, it's all coming together, the puzzles, the pieces coming together to reveal itself, the beauty of what is to enter into your life. And intuitive hits, soul tribe, like lot of soul tribe, soul people. That is exactly what I said. Like, a lot of people, soul tribe, soul mates coming in your way, like divine timing. You are entering into the divine timing. Like, things are going to get aligned. You're going to meet the right people at the right time, the right situation. Like puzzle getting solved, the riddle getting solved, and everything starts to make sense. And these are all the energy that I'm receiving for you, group number 3. Okay, a door to the infinite. Exactly, like door to the infinite is getting opened for you. An application, lot of knowledge and wisdom that you have gained over the period of time. You just didn't want to accept it. You just didn't want to, like, agree to the beauty of yourself. And now is the time for you to realize, you know what, you deserve everything. You deserve this beauty. You deserve this infinite, boundless love that universe has to offer. And once you open your arm and accept and forgive yourself for being naive, for putting yourself through whatever that happened in your life, it all happened so that you can learn and grow and evolve, right? So that is exactly what is being taught to you. And application, this is definitely about you applying all this knowledge and help it as a stepping stone, rather than beating yourself up for whatever you've been through, or whatever that situation that you have put yourself into. Instead of blaming and beating yourself up, use that as a stepping stone, and thank everyone, forgive everyone, and forgive yourself as well. And you will see your heart getting healed, your body getting healed, your life getting healed as a overall result. And you will be surprised at what all this universe and world has to offer for you. Let's see which chakras are getting more activated for you. Look at that, we have heart chakra. Exactly, like forgiveness, your heart chakra is getting healed. Lot of forgiveness coming through. They're telling mother yourself, and you need it the most. You got to mother yourself, nurture yourself, love yourself, take care of yourself. Your self-expression, self-love is getting highlighted here, group number 3. I forgive myself for my imperfection, do my best and find contentment with that. I am good enough. Wow, this is exactly what I was picking up. I recognize my hurts and nurture my inner child with all that she or he needs. I forgive others for their preconceptions, judgments and behaviors, trusting we all doing our best with our current levels of awareness and partnering. I forgive. Exactly, you have to forgive yourself, forgive others for all the wrongdoings of others in your life. And because that served you, that served its purpose to make you stronger, to make you wiser, to make you matured, for you to gain knowledge and understanding, and to understand what is your worth. All right, you will have to understand and accept your worthiness, your divinity. Like, you have to claim your divinity. That is what they are telling. Freedom. Wow. Exactly, like freedom. You are headed towards freedom. You are headed towards revealing your true self to the world. Uh, I release all tears, sadness, and the attachment to closing up and playing small. Wow. In order to allow my throat to open fully, I open my throat and allow myself to breathe, sing, laugh, and cry. My voice is an instrument through which I heal myself and others. Lot of healing, as I told you, I heal. Freedom, healing yourself is going to bring a lot of freedom. You'll be able to express yourself truly. It's like coming out of this feeling pity, feeling petty as well, and becoming this expansive, beautiful human being and a soul that you are. That is exactly what is getting activated for you, or the door that is opening up for you is to the infinite possibilities of the universe. And the last card is cut the cords. Exactly, cut the cords, that anything that is weighing you down. Cut the cords from the people who are draining your energy. Cut the cords from the past, the wrongdoings that other did to you, or you cutting the cords with the negative people. Even it could be even family. As I say this with so much of emphasis, my left ear is ringing like crazy. I'm not able to hear myself what I'm speaking because my left ear is ringing so crazily. That is a very strong confirmation from your angels and guides that they want you to cut those cords. Cut those cords, cut those connections from everybody and everything that is draining your energy and making you feel small, because you deserve the best of the best, because you're worthy, because you are divine, and you are claiming your divinity. And that is exactly what your angels and guides are helping you with right now through this portal, through this Love and Love and portal. Really be open to all these beautiful things that life has to offer. Don't have small talks with you where you'll put yourself down. Don't allow others to put you down or make you feel small, because you're not. You are going to claim your divinity, and that is what this portal is going to help you do. All right, yeah, that's all I'm getting for you, group number 3. Hope this helps you in some way, and love you all. Take care. See you in my next video. Bye bye.